live on Twitch. Oh shit!
There. Oh, yo, what's the word? You got your boy YB Solace.
We be live on Twitch. Oh shit!
That's definitely going to that shit. Yo. Fuck no. Yo, about to go on a little ride out to fucking, I don't even know what we're eating. Where we eating?
Your mama house.
No, type shit. We're gonna go out and ride over there, so then we're gonna go on a little joyride, but we'll say that for later. Let's get into it. Baby wheelie for y'all. Oh, there we go, baby. A little baby one. It's getting up there. I'm getting it. I'm getting it. See if we can get some ASMR pops. Yeah. It honestly looks good too, like the cover combination, like the guy has the green springs with the black and stuff. It honestly looks really good. And I think the good thing is, like, it's a great starter bike. I think that's really number one. Like, forget the rest. Like, it's a great fucking starter bike for him. And he has self-control, like that self-control I was telling you guys about in the first video, or it's the reason why I got the R6. It might not be the first video, I don't know, but it just comes a long way. The self-control, and he has it. So it's so cold. I had the sniffles and everything. He has like the new rider's fever. Oh, let's see, there goes the pops. Oh, he saw the flame! Oh! Oh! Yo, he's gonna be stupid excited when I show him this flame on this GoPro. Watch, he's gonna be stupid excited when I show him this flame. Oh shit, it came up faster than I thought. I almost tapped his little back brake there. Oh shit, damn. Fucking hell. That was on me. Oh shit, he stalled out on the fucking, I wasn't paying attention. I was trying to make sure I wasn't getting hit from behind. That was bad riding on my part. He had nothing to do with that. Damn, I don't know where I want to park the bike. I hate parking in parking spots because people like trip about bikes being in parking spots. So I try to park in these little areas. We're just gonna walk it over here. Damn, I hit him by accident. Yo, you saw the flame? Yeah, I got it on the GoPro. It was big. My bad for hitting you, bruh.
No, you're good though. That was me because I tried turning high gear.
Ah.
That was on me.
Did I hit you?
You ran over my foot.
Damn, are you good?
Yeah, it didn't hurt because I was kind of already expecting.
Is it beeping red? Is it still red?
Yeah.
Oh. Dude, yeah, you saw the fucking red flame. I mean the blue flame. That shit was big. I was like, yo, what the fuck? Yep, 650 in the R6.
1,000.
Nope, 1,000, my bad. ZX10R. Oh, it's so cold, baby. We might have to be at a full tuck. Like, I want to talk, but I'm so cold. Maybe I should talk to distract myself. Let's see what we gonna talk about, guys. Man, I'm just cold. Let's talk about the weather. Riding in the winter time. Honestly, I think if you don't have to, you should not ride in the winter time, because holy crap. But it's cool though, because I kind of got, I can say like, hey, I did it before. God damn, it's pretty fucking bad, I can't lie to you. All right, let's go fast. I know that's what y'all watching for. I know that's what y'all wanted. I know that's what y'all wanted. There y'all go right there, baby. I gotta remember though that I don't have to be loud on my fucking mic. Like, I could just be cool. I keep forgetting that. Like, I want to... Yes, sir! He finally did it, bro. I gotta remember that I don't have to be stupid loud on my mic. Like, on my mic. Like, I could just be calm. I've been trying to get him to open his bike up for a minute to see how fast I can get up to, but he hasn't. But we're riding with Jess. He's gonna take pictures with us for us on the motorcycles or whatever. But that's the 911 she said she has. But yeah. I got up to, man. I ain't gonna lie to you. I don't really look down that much. I just go. I freaking love this bike, man. The R6 treats me so well. I have no complaints. Like, it's a really fast bike, and if I need to get on it, I can whenever I want to. Man, this bike, I have no freaking complaints, bro. The only complaint I got right now is I'm cold as hell. But other than that, though, that's pretty cool. I've literally been wanting to moto vlog for a while. I've actually wanted to freaking vlog normally with just the car, but man, let me tell y'all about that. The car, the fucking motorcycle, like, vlogging is just completely different. I feel like the motorcycle vlogging is just so much better because of just how many freaking people are doing the car vlogging and how toxic it's gotten. Like, it depends on what car you have and what do you have done to the car and all that stuff. It's just not the same. It's not the same as it used to be no more. It used to be so much simpler and easier. Everything was just great. Now it's just changed so much. The GoPro might randomly die, which kind of sucks. I don't know if we'll be able to get the photos, but if it dies, I'll just record on my phone when we get to the spot. But yeah, it changed so much. It's just sad now, I ain't gonna lie. Because now you have to have some boosted freaking, like the Z and naturally aspirated. Man, people don't want to see a naturally aspirated Z vlog no more. Like, you can't do stuff like that. It's so much harder to make it. But the moment I got the bike, like, I started to realize that, like, hey, like, I'm doing a whole lot better on majority of platforms. I'm getting more interactions and less hate. I'm getting more like comments and like not as much hate anymore. The only video I had blow up was the 370Z versus the world. Oh yeah, he did full tuck too. But yeah. which kind of sucks. Like I said, you have to have some boosted 370Z or some test pipes 370Z, like full bolt-on NA beating 5.0s for you to just make it. Like, you can't just have a really nice car or just enjoy your car and vlog. Like, you can, but it's just so much harder. It's kind of crazy, I can't lie. I'm getting used to the cold now, but I'm still shaking. I don't know if y'all can see on my helmet. But yeah, the motor vlogging is cool. I just want to see how it goes for me. I want to see if I enjoy it or not. But right now, as of now, I can't lie, like, that's been pretty cool. One thing I can't say about the R6 is I freaking, like, it hurts my back, I can't lie. But I'm tall, like I'm close to 6'1". I'm like 6 feet and some change. But it hurts my back, I can't lie. Ooh. Yeah, it's cold as hell. We're gonna have to warm up or something. He's in a full tuck at 70. I'm just up, like I'm just upright. I don't know, maybe I shouldn't be. What's that in front of us? Ooh, we got some action or nah? Nah, not no action. Man, it's cold. Yeah, and then next I need some better gloves. Which is crazy is, if I show y'all, it sounds good. If I show y'all sauce is good, y'all gonna be like, what the hell? This man has on running gloves, like actually running gloves, like they're like cotton gloves. He's riding around with them on, which is kind of crazy. I think it's hilarious. Let's fucking go, baby! Whoa, I don't know. Some people say you have to do GPS times and not what's on the freaking bike. But I don't know, hey, 171, I'll take it. On a freaking R6 that only has a freaking slip-on exhaust. Now I have to wait for them from going so fast. Silas is still trying to get his turning down and stuff like that. I don't even know. Yeah, it's still recording. Hey, we got battery right now. I turned y'all might see the quality drop, but I turned it down from 4K to 2.7, which should be good, but just so the battery lasts longer. I'm trying to like slow down so I can catch up. I was going pretty quick. Go, baby. I gotta slow down. I done left them behind. I always tell the new riders too to ride their own rides. Oh, look at the Z up there. Let's go to it. love the Z still, like 350 or 370. They're nice. I'm gonna have to like slow down. I don't know. I definitely think I passed where I'm supposed to. I think I passed it. It's somewhere over there. Yeah, I went too fucking far. Now I had to try to re-up with them. I don't know where they're at. I have no earthly idea where they're at. Yeah, so I think I want to exit off. I have an idea where the freaking place is, but I don't really know. Oh, look at the R6 is popping right now with just a slip-on. Oh shit, I'm in first. Yeah, I have an idea where I'm going, but I don't really know. I got the sniffles and all. What the fuck? Okay, I was about to say. Little ASMR, little Pops ASMR. I need to get a GoPro that's like down there actually. Oops. Yeah, I have to keep checking because I don't know when the GoPro is gonna die. I just know at some point it's gonna die. Probably at like 14%, honestly. Man, I don't even know if I'm going the right way, but I think it's across that bridge because I've been close to it before. I think I'll go across that bridge and then straight and then to the left somewhere, and there's like some park or something over there. I'm eventually just gonna have to park up somewhere and cut off the GoPro. Oh yeah, that's the bridge. That's like it's like, but there's one more over there somewhere. I just have to find the bridge. Just take a moment to like look at the scenery. That's the bridge over there though. There's two, you see. So that one goes towards 20 if y'all are from Dallas, you know. And then that one, it's like connected to like the smaller side of Dallas or whatever that has like the little small businesses over there and stuff. And it's really cool. Like the scenery is just beautiful. Is the GoPro still going? Yeah. But yeah, that's the one that goes towards like, that's like towards 20 or whatever, like Fort Worth area. I'm not from Fort Worth, I'm from like South Dallas. But, and then that's the one that connects to the other side. We're going over there. Oh, little pop, little bump. Oh, fucking random ass couch. But this is some nice scenery too, honestly. I can't lie. People used to park up there, but then they started closing that area down or whatever because of like takeovers and stuff. You got some really nice parts of Dallas, rather, that people, honestly, people just messed up. I think it's down this way. But yeah, people just messed up. like the nice parts of Dallas, all because like takeovers and just doing crazy stuff, man. Supposed to be going some spot over here. Let's see if we can pop a little baby one up for y'all. Let's see. Oh, that's not a baby one for me, shit. That's more than I can handle, I ain't gonna lie to you guys. I have to get used to it, but let's see. Woo! Shit, that motherfucker got up. Let's try it again. Let's try it one more time. Let's try another one. One more. Clutch is burning up. Alright, let's stop right there. I'm trying, y'all. I'm trying to practice getting them up and stuff. And the good thing is, like, when I finally get good, because I will eventually, I like this process, because y'all get to see exactly like how, so where I started and how well I'm doing with the wheelies and stuff. But I think I'm gonna cut the video because I need to figure out where I'm at. So I will be with you guys in a second. Let's go.